my jowa. Hi guys. So dito ako ngayon sa Guam. Stop over. Kasi namiss yung connecting flight. Tapos bukas pa yung flight papunta Manila. Is currently 10:55. 22:55. Tapos pupunta kami, babalik kami ng airport mga 3:30. Ganun. Tapos ayun, yung flight ko bukas 5:55. So yeah, it's a prank yung makakarating ako tonight. So I miss my girlfriend, but see you soon, mahal. I love you. So yeah, tulong muna tayo saglit, tapos laga na. Yeah, later. It's our first meet, me and my girlfriend. We've been together for 8 months, and I'm excited to meet her. Sana excited din siya ma-meet ako. But yeah, tomorrow is our first meet, and I cannot wait. So yeah, I love you, mahal ko. So ito na ako kasi love feelings. First time meeting ko. Ito na sa labas na siya. So yeah, I'm outside. My girlfriend. Mali pa lang. Kailangan natin bumalang. For you. Pasulanta na. Ay, yun. Kasag natin. Let's go na. Hi! It's me and my jowa. Thank you.
Kami kasi wala kaming pasahero pabalik.
Power guard na kaming dalawa, guys. Okay po, kuya.